Homeostatic regulation of salt is required for effective regulation of water. NaCl is crucial for fluid balance. We cannot maintain water in the extracellular compartment without solutes. Some species have evolved adaptations to dump excess sodium. An example of this is seabirds that have specialized salt glands near their nostrils so that they can excrete highly concentrated salt solution in order to be able to drink water. Aldosterone is the adrenal steroid that promotes conservation of sodium by the kidneys. Hypovolemic thirst is triggered by a loss of water volume, decrease in overall volume of extracellular fluid due to a more sudden or dramatic losses of fluid from the body, such as hemorrhage, vomiting, or diarrhea. Blood pressure drops and individuals become thirsty. Suddenly losing fluids from blood loss does not change the concentration of the extracellular fluid at first, only the volume. Baroreceptors are pressure receptors in the heart or a major artery that detect a fall in BP. Responses from the brain include thirst and salt hunger. Hormonal responses to dehydration include atrial natriuretic peptide, vasopressin, and angiotensin II. ANP is a hormone secreted by the heart that normally reduces blood pressure, inhibits drinking, and promotes the excretion of water and salt to the kidneys. Vasopressin is the same as antidiuretic hormone, and it's a peptide hormone from the posterior pituitary that promotes water conservation. Angiotensin II is a substance that is produced in the blood by the action of renin, an enzyme, and can play a role in the control of thirst. We don't stop drinking just because the throat and mouth are wet. We use a combination of signals to monitor how much water we have ingested and stop in anticipation of correcting the extracellular volume and/or osmolality. Thirst is a homeostatic signal that intrudes forcefully into consciousness with associated strong activation of certain brain regions such as the limbic system. Food and energy regulation. Nutrients regulation helps prepare for future needs. Nutrients are chemicals that are needed for growth, maintenance, and repair of the body, but are not used as a source of energy. Digestion is a process by which food is broken down to provide energy and nutrients. Basal metabolism is the consumption of energy by the basic life-sustaining functions of the body.